It's a cloudy day today, and Barcelona usually looks much brighter than this, but it's still a great moment to show you this walk. I'm starting at the Mall Adossat, right in front of Cruise Terminal A in the port of Barcelona. Even though there are no cruise ships at Terminal A or Terminal B today, these are usually some of the busiest terminals in the port, and they're also among the closest if you want to walk into the city center. From here, I head towards the Porta d'Europa Bridge, an impressive bascule bridge that connects the rest of the port with the cruise dock. So it's quite a unique spot to see. After crossing the bridge, I arrive at the ferry area, where both passenger ferries and ro-ro vessels operate. This is also where you'll find the ferry terminal, where several Mediterranean ferry companies sell their tickets. The walk continues toward the World Trade Center Barcelona, a very convenient transport hub. From here, you can take the port bus to reach the cruise terminals or hop on the city's tourist buses. Right next to it is Terminal S, another spot where cruise ships often dock. And finally, I reach the square with the Columbus Monument, one of Barcelona's most iconic landmarks. On one side you have Las Ramblas, and on the other, the waterfront opens up again. This area often hosts events, markets, and activities, making it a lively place to start or finish your visit to Barcelona.